Hello everyone, this is Perfect Daze here and welcome to my channel. My question today is, how do you pack for a long trip? And come pack with me for Taiwan! I mentioned in my last video that I will be going to Taiwan for the summer. I'm excited for an overseas trip because it's been a long while. First things first, my personal item on the plane will be my Louis Vuitton Neverfull in the Damier Ebene print and the rose ballerine interior. I have 3 pouches inside. There's this pink Christian Dior one that I got as part of a skincare set. In the end, I didn't care for the creams, but this bag is very light and convenient. In my Dior pouch, I packed my sunglasses that I put in this soft drawstring bag. And because Taiwan is so hot, especially in the summertime, I'm bringing this cute fan that doesn't need any batteries. Once you leave the airport, you are hit with so much heat and humidity. I kind of doubt this little fan will do much, but I figured it will be better than nothing. I also packed these gravel ginger things to hopefully ease any motion sickness. Once again, I'm not sure if these will help with the 15-hour flight, but I'd rather have some potential solution rather than nothing. I also have some gum for taking off and landing, and finally I have my curlers because there's a slight chance that I might use them for some portion of the flight. I know the humidity will instantly make my hair straight again, but once again, here's to trying. Plus they didn't fit into my main suitcase. In my heart quilted pouch, I have my eye mask I got from Miniso, and if I can sleep for half the flight, that would be amazing. I also have this clear pouch that has liquids and other toiletries. I packed a lipstick, a clear powder compact, and a lip balm. I also have a cleanser, a small lotion, and a sun cream. I packed a toothbrush and toothpaste. And I happen to have these earplugs and extra gum, and so I threw them in. In this black pouch, I'm carrying my pink Chanel Walk. This is a handy bag that can be dressed up or dressed down, and so it's perfect for traveling. For my clothes, there's definitely a theme. I have several puff sleeve floral dresses that are lightweight, easy to pack, and cool to wear. You can sort of dress them up or dress them down. I have a long one too, but I think with the heat, it makes more sense to have more short dresses. There will be an opportunity to visit the beach or pool, and so I have these swimwear options. A purple ruffle bikini, a black and white swimsuit from Walmart or Target, a floral suit from Gilly or Hollister, and this white one from Abercrombie years ago. All of these items fit nicely in my new suitcase. This is my very first hard suitcase. I've always used those traditional soft fabric ones, but during my last trip, the handle and the wheels broke. I like how hard suitcases have 2 sides that are equal. I put some things that I didn't want to get squished in these plastic containers, and the rest went into these new packing cubes I got from Carta. I like how they fit in like a puzzle. I put these tags on the packing cubes because while they look sleek and minimal, they don't have the see-through mesh, and I don't want to have to unzip them unnecessarily to know what's inside. I can give an update on how well they do on this trip. I'm also bringing this lightweight foldable Muji bag to put in some snacks, maybe a travel pillow, and some miscellaneous things. It's finally almost time to go to Taiwan. I'm looking forward to seeing people, visiting various places, enjoying the culture and cuisine. Are you excited to go somewhere this year? Please let me know in the comment section below. And if you've been to Taiwan, I'd be happy to hear any recommendations. Until next time, I wish you all perfect days. Have a great summer!